Hey, let us walk you through the support onboarding and workflow. In order to get started, we need to sign a support agreement. The procedure is electronic, simple, and quick. Once that is done, we can proceed with the setup of the development and staging environments. Those are needed so we don't disrupt the production environment with unnecessary changes, deployments, and issues. Once you have provided us with the access to the server, we will acquire your files for your website and set up an exact copy of your shop at our test server. The test environment will be used for previewing and discussing the changes before they appear on the live website. The test environment setup is free of charge. Now, when we have the agreement signed and the test environment ready, it is time to proceed with actual work. You will receive access to the service desk, a portal where you can submit tickets. You can request various changes, report bugs, and raise different types of questions that might concern your online store. Please remember to give us some background and details so we can come up with efficient and business-oriented technical solutions. We have received the ticket and estimated the development effort needed to implement the changes. Now you need to approve the hours so we can proceed with the task. This way, you have full control over the budget of this service. If the time needed for the change is beyond the value you would gain, you can simply reject the task or put it on hold. The task was approved and we have implemented the changes in the test environment first. To make sure the changes are exactly as you described and are a good addition to your business, we invite you to participate and verify the changes in the test environment before they are transferred to the live environment. After you have confirmed the changes in the test environment, we are ready to transfer those changes to the live environment. You can always indicate your preferred day and time for the deployment to take place. After we have applied the changes in the live environment and implemented testing, we again invite you to verify the changes, but this time in the live environment. If you are happy with the results and there are no changes required, the request gets closed. The workflow is similar for various types of tickets. In case we require any additional information from you, we will guide you through the process so it's clear to you what next steps or actions are required from your side. Invoicing is handy and simple. You're not required to make any prepayments. On the very first day of the month, you get an invoice for the hours you approved and spent during the previous month. Additionally, you get 15 days to cover the invoice. Here's an example. If you spent 10 hours during June, you have until the 15th of July to cover the work. Business-oriented solutions. Magento Certified Specialist. No hidden fees. Ready to get started?